And action!
Well, the story in this commercial that we're doing now is about change. You can really make a big change in a short time. So for instance, just choosing another color set of your home. That could be a really big change. You always have old stuff, and when you rearrange them and put them together with some new stuff, then it immediately looks a bit new and interesting. When you have a billy bookcase, you can put fabric in the back, or you can take these lamps that we've chosen and we put them together like a mobile. The reason I chose the furniture for this set that I've chosen is because it is important in a short commercial like this to make the change very visible. So I try to keep it a bit toned down in the first part, and then very colorful and lively and a bit more sensual in the after version.